January 13th card opening. Here at work, we'll get opening. 2013 Series 1. I already pulled the Machado a couple days back. So we're really just looking for inserts, parallels. And Profar. Russell Martin. I don't know what this is. Gabby Sanchez. Mason Grill. Was that an actual card? 10 cards. Keep the $1 million thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, baloney. Insert card is one of the 10 cards you get. Come on. It's worse. Checklist at least have a purpose. Series 2 Fat Pack. Retail. So we can get the Luis Robert or something. James Marvell. Ian Happ. Justin Dunn. Ozzy Gold. It's not horrible. Lorenzo Kane. Brewers. Pete Alonso, New York thing. Smith. Musil. Charlie Blackmon. Logan Webb. That's a nice one. Kyle Freeland and Rio Ruiz. So Logan Webb being probably the best card. Ozzy Albies definitely has his people who like him though. Archives. Bobby Dahlbeck on the back. Brett Rooker. Stephon Flora. Shane Bieber. Top 11. Ryan Mountcastle. Yu Hanyin. And Bobby Dahlbeck. Good list of rookies there. Bowman Draft 2015. Looks stiff there. Luis Herbert, Donnie Dewars, Kobe Ponce, Eric Lego, Alex Jackson, Nelson Rodriguez, and Chris Ellis. Heard a couple of those. Optics. Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Brandon Woodruff, and Rafael Devers. Woodruff is a prism. And finally, Diamond Kings. We got a downtown card. That is a case hit. Jose Altuve, Ryan Weathers. I did pull one of these already. That was of Joey Bart, Alec Bohm, Mike Trout, Jose Garcia, Buster Posey, Clark Schmidt, Ron Kuhn Jr. Downtown. It is a sharp looking card that actually holds some value. Some pies, some peaches, some peanuts. Get this sleeved up as it is a very nice card. So that's 2 case hits so far in my Diamond King search. which is not all that bad. Y'all take care.